we have a question here that is talking about how the schools can how schools can benefit from the technology, right? So uh, as a school, as someone that runs school, right, your major responsibility is to improve the performance of your students, right? You need to find ways to improve your performance of the students. And one of the ways you can do that is by actually collecting the data of all the students. When you have proper data collection of your students, you can actually predict, if a student is going to perform very well or not using artificial intelligence. If a student is not go, if you predict that a student is not going to perform very well, then you actually take all these students for counseling, and then you actually try to detect what's likely going to be their problem, and that will actually prevent future poor performance, and that will make you a good school. So if you are, and all these things also come with all the technologies that we talk about. If you are collecting data of the student, that means you are storing in like a cloud system, and then you have a data engineer that help you process, and you have a data scientists that help you do the modeling. So these are one of the ways that you can actually apply, one of the simple ways you can apply all these things we are saying to your business, which in your own case is like a school. So if you can help your students in such a way that you can actually predict their performance, and then if you predict that a student is going to perform poorly, and then that helps you to arrest the situation before it actually happens, and then you will see the improvement in performance of your students as it continues to go. There are also other applications of technology to education, to schools, which other people we talked about. So that is it